Hello everyone. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. Welcome to Mahdi English School. This is the class of Standard 1. We are going to learn mathematics. Let's begin our day with the meaningful thought. Always end the day with a positive thought. No matter how hard things were, tomorrow is a fresh opportunity to make it better. So don't become disappointed. Always be positive, stay positive, and yes, work hard to become successful in your life. Get ready with your notebook, pencil, because you all have to write with me, huh? So, first of all, write the date and day on the right corner. Then, write the heading MENTAL, mental, MATHS, maths, mental maths. As you all know that we have completed almost 2 parts of this exercise. First, we will make revision of previous 2 lectures. Then we move on. Which 2 days together are sometimes called a weekend? Saturday and Sunday. Which has more value? 150 paisa coin or 150 rupee note? Answer is 50 rupee note. Number C, whose picture is printed on all Indian currency notes? Answer is Gandhiji. Tell me who remembers this? Check your book. Do you have all the question answers written in your book? As normally when you all come to school and you all note down the notes in your book, it must be present there. And during these 2 previous lectures, I told each and every one to make a copy with me. So, who prepares the work? Number D, another word for the long hand of the clock is the dash hand. Answer is minute hand. The short hand of the clock is called hour hand. The long hand is called minute hand. What is the time 1 hour before 11 o'clock? It is 10 o'clock. Which day comes before Saturday? It is Friday. How many 25 paisa coins make a rupee? Answer is 4 coins. Number A, 63 minus 3 is equal to 6060. Number B, 85 minus 0, we get the same number 85. Number C, 47 is equal to 4 tens, 7 ones. "99 minus 9 is equal to 9090. Number before 60 is 59. "33 plus 1 is equal to 34. Number after 80 is 8181. "70 minus 50 is equal to 2020. So, check your notebook. Recently, we have completed this exercise. Is this exercise completed in your notebook? If not, there I am waiting for a while. You all can complete it. Let me repeat once again. Those who have not completed this exercise in the notebook, try to complete it as soon as possible with me. 63 minus 3 is equal to 60. 85 minus 0 is equal to 85. 47 is equal to 4 tens and 7 ones. 99 minus 9 is equal to 90. Number before 60 is 59. 33 plus 1 is equal to 34. Number after 80 is 81. 70 minus 50 is equal to 20. I hope you all have completed till now. Now write number A. One M-O-R-E, more. T-H-A-N, then. Eight five 85. IS is dash. Number A, 1 more than 85 is dash. So, what will be the answer? 1 more than 85 means we have to add 1 to 85. So, 85 plus 1 we get 86. One more than 85 is 86. Leave one line. Number B, 6 to 62, comma 7 to 72, comma 8 to 82, comma dash. First of all, complete your writing part. Write the question properly. We have completed number A. Then just now we have written question of number B. Now observe it and think, how can we solve this? What will be the answer here? (62), 72 and 82. After that we have a blank. If we want to fill this blank, what will be the answer? Observe the given pattern. First there comes 62, then after 72, then after 82. Means we have to make jump of 10 numbers, counting by tens. Yes, here we have to use the method of counting by tens. Now you all have the clue. Think what comes here. If we want to complete this pattern, there comes 9 to 92. Write down the question properly. Number B, 62, 72, 82, 92. Leave one line and then write number C. Three 0 30 plus 5 0 50 is equal to dash. Thirty plus 50 is equal to dash. Now first, everyone copy the question properly. As we are doing mental maths right now, so after writing the question, try to solve the sum mentally or orally. No need to count the sum. Thirty plus 50. There comes 8080. One more than 85 is 86. 62, 72, 82, 92. Thirty-three plus 50 is equal to 80. Leave one line and then write number D. Seven plus 3 plus 5 is equal to dash. Seven plus 3 plus 5. Now again, as we are doing mental maths, count the sum orally and tell me what will be the answer. 7 plus 3, we get 10. 10 plus 5, we get 1, 5, 15. So 7 plus 3 plus 5 is equal to 15. Number E. Seven plus dash is equal to 1, 4, 14. I repeat the question. 7 plus dash is equal to 14. Now see, here we know the answer already. We have to find out the remaining part of the question. So, first write the question properly. Then think all the possibilities come to fill these blanks. Which number should we put in given blank so that we can get the answer number 1, 4, 14. Which number we want to add given number? Seven plus 7. Yes, we have to add number 7 so that we get answer 14. 7 plus 7 is equal to 14. Leave one line and then write number F. 8, 7, 87 minus 1 is equal to dash. 87 minus 1 is equal to dash. Now calculate it orally. If we subtract number 1 from 87, what will be the answer? I am waiting. First you have to copy the question properly with a very good handwriting. Eight, 6, 86. 87 minus 1, we get 8, 6, 86. Now compare the answer. Who has written the proper answer? Well done. Number G. 39, comma 38, comma 37, comma blank, comma blank. Here we have two blanks. Now first everyone copy the question properly. Question number G is 39, 38, 37, dash and dash. I am waiting for a while so that you all can copy the question properly. Number G, 39, 38, 37, blank and blank. Now observe the pattern properly. Which formula we have to apply? Yes, here we have to find out before numbers. Look at there, 39, before that 38, before there comes 37. So which number comes before 37? It will be 36. Now before 36, which number comes here? 35. So here we have completed the answer. 39, 38, 36, 37, 36 and 35 as well. So I hope everyone has completed. Write blank number H. 60 minus 20 is equal to dash. 6060 minus 2020 is equal to dash. So, count the answer. Orally, don't need to make subtraction, as we are practicing mental maths right now. 60 minus 20, we get 4040. Everyone note down the answer. Now once again I am going to repeat A to H. 1 more than 85 is 86, 62, 72, 82, 92. 30 plus 50 is equal to 80. 7 plus 3 plus 5 is equal to 15. 7 plus 7 is equal to 14. 87 minus 1 is equal to 86. 39, 38, 37, 36, 35. Number H is 60 minus 20. So, my dear students, here we have completed exercise number 3 of mental maths. In next lecture, we will continue with the same. So, at your home everyone, stay safe, stay happy, take care of yourself. We will meet in the next lecture. Till then, thank you very much and bye-bye everyone.